Hello everyone, this is Sresh from SkyMount, and today's class we are going to take how to export Revit file to AutoCAD. Okay, so here you can see like I have done some partition wall design here. Okay, so for this interior I have done some partition wall design. So this design I want to take it into 2D format and give the working drawing for this. Okay, so like what I have to do is again I have to go to AutoCAD, again I have to redraft this whole drawing. But instead of this, what I can do is I can even export this file to AutoCAD. So very first thing, as I need to take the section of this, so I'll go to level 1 and I'll draw a section line here. Okay, so which is already been done here. So I'll just change the view of the section. Okay, so this view I want to take. So next afterwards, what I'll do is, so you can see here, this is what exactly I want. So if you want, you can hide the sofa if you don't want to be taken it to the file. Okay, or else meanwhile what I'll do is I'll just delete it so that this becomes a very clear picture. So next here what I'll do is I'll drop down the application menu and I'll click on export CAD format DWG. Okay, so whichever format you want you can use it over here. So let me take DWG. So next here I'll click on new set. Okay, so whatever the set name you want you can give the set name, or you can just keep it like that. Just click on OK. So you'll get all the sets of the view what all you're having in your plan. Okay, so that is, you can see north elevation, east elevation, west, level 1, level 2, level 3. So which all the views you want to export, you can export it at once itself. Suppose if you want to take the ceiling design, if you want to take the floor plan, if you want to take the 3D view, if you want to take the section line, so you can just go on checking like which all the things you need to be exported to CAD format. Suppose I'll take it as level 1 and I'll take the section view, or if you want even you can take the 3D model also. So let me take the 3D model itself. So I'll take the 3D model and the section view. I'll just check on these two options here, and then I'll click on next. Next here I'll go to my file where I want to be where I want to save the CAD format, and I'll give the name here. For example, I'll give it a section. Okay, and in which file, like in which version you want to save, like in which AutoCAD version you want to save the AutoCAD file. So for example, if you're having a lower version, you can select a lower version. So here there's 2018, so it is coming as 2018. Suppose if you want to save it in any lower version, you can save it over here. So just click on OK. So next here I'll just minimize the file here, so you can see here. So I have exported to desktop. So you can see there are two CAD files here coming. So one is 3D view and the other one is section. Okay, so let me open the section view and show it to you first. So you can see here it will be coming like this, in this way. So here if you want to make some changes, you can delete the levels. Okay, and this will be only helpful for you suppose if you have done this as per the dimensions, as per the standard values in Revit. Okay, so whenever you go for any creation in Revit, it will be helpful for you if you want to take the working drawings only and only if you have done it as per the standard values. So here what I can do is, here I can just take dimension tools, I can just measure it and I can just give it to my customer. Okay, so you can see here I'll just measure it like this. So I guess the snap tool is off. So I'll just measure it like this, and whatever the dimensions are there I will give it to my customer. Okay, so you can see here it makes my work very easier if I do it as per the standard values. Okay, so you can do the measurements, and one more thing, you can see here it is also being added in the layers here. Okay, so the layers also will be coming by default if you're taking from Revit to AutoCAD. Okay, Similarly, let us see the next one, that is the 3D model which I have exported. Okay, so you can see here the whole 3D model is come in AutoCAD. Okay, so whatever I have done there is come here also. Okay, so you can export any views, 3D view, or if you want section, elevation, plan, everything you can export it to CAD. Okay, so this is how you can export Revit file to AutoCAD. Okay, but make sure whenever you do anything here, it is as per the standard values. Okay, so thank you everyone. For more videos you can like and subscribe the video.